Cane. I live outside of town. Work from sunrise rising till the sun is sinking down. Each day I walk along the lane that runs beneath the downs. It rings with birdsong sweet and true. It's a pretty, peaceful sound. Won my fight, I didn't see that I should go alone to fight the enemy of our land. By the government I was told, I left my love, I left my home and all my thoughts behind. For the world of love, a world of care, and across the other side. The more to hear the bird song, I could recognize every tune. The more to see the morning dew glistening on the comb. The more to hear my dearest call as I return late at night, just to rest my head and sleep, my dear, until morning light. My name is Bertram Cane, and I'm a simple man. Never cause nobody pain, I'd always help me if I can. Now I stay across no man's land with a gun sight before my eye, just waiting to kill a man like me across on the other side. More to hear the bird song, I could recognize every tune. No more to see the morning dew glistening on the comb. No more to hear my dearest call as I return late at night, just to rest my head and sleep, my dear, until morning light. Well, for 4 years hell on earth did rain, and many brave men died. The high explosive shells that flew, the only singing in the sky. Land now cultivated by the shell and not the plow, and the only men remaining are devoid of caring now. More to hear the bird song, I could recognize every tune. More to see the morning dew glistening on the comb. More to hear my dearest call as I return late at night, just to rest my head and sleep, my dear, until morning light. My name is Bertram Cane, the name etched on my grave. 1914-18 war was a travesty of the brave. So if you ever walk along that lane beneath the downs, be sure to listen to the bird song there. It's a pretty and peaceful sound.